is up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so then you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, I created this 5 minutes makeup look for you guys. This look is definitely for my moms, my students, my basic girls, or girls who just don't like wearing a lot of makeup. This look is definitely for you. It's something fresh, simple, yet it still gives you like a glow. Like, we look put together at the end of the day, okay? So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Y'all already know the drill. Even though it's going to be a short video today, still go ahead and grab yourself a snack, get comfortable, and let's play with makeup, okay? All right, y'all, let's get started. All right, you guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is drink some water. I have not been drinking water. My skin has been crappy because I've just been drinking all them juices and yummy coffees and just, yeah, terrible. So drink your water. That's the first thing you should be doing, okay? So we can get this skin looking good, okay? So the second thing I'm going to actually do is, first of all, this is a 5-minute makeup. This is the on-the-go busy ladies. You ain't got time to do a full beat face. Don't got time for none of that. So we want to look a little bit presentable but still put together, okay? So I think I'm gonna start with the brows. So I'm gonna grab this Sigma Brow Tint Brow Gel. And I have realized when I use this product to keep my brows in place before I start filling them in, they stay in place. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna start using this first. And then I will fill in my brows here. I'm gonna let this sit and dry up so I can move to my moisturizer and all that good stuff. So for moisturizer or primer, I'm gonna use 2 products because I'm going for like a 5-minute look. I like my skin to look a little bit glassy, natural at the same time. So this can also be like a no makeup look. I'm gonna grab this Mercier Flawless Oil and I'm gonna mix it with this MAC Strobe Cream primer. So I like these 2 together because it is just like the best combination in this world. So I'm just going to start mixing the 2 together and blend that all into my skin. It's still moisturizing my face and it still is priming my face, and it gives me like a little light glow that I always love. And I promise y'all gonna have this glow throughout the day because I have done this method already. My makeup be looking so natural and lightweight and I'm just so here for it. So now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna grab this Anastasia brow pencil and I'm gonna just fill in my brows like so because they're put in place. I'm just going to start filling them in. For this brow look, I'm just gonna like fill it in with the pencil and not just grab a powder brush. Just work this, put some light strokes into that brow, honey. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start by like the brow, the end of the brow, and just give myself that shape, just following my shape at the same time. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing to the top. And then I'm gonna start filling in the brow like so. So that's looking pretty decent. So now I'm going to clean up my brow with this Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 380. I'm gonna use a little bit of this just to clean them up a little bit because gonna make them look a little arched, a little decent. And y'all, these brows don't look perfect. Like, I mean, they look good, but they don't look like filled in, drawn in kind of thing, like how I normally do my brows. So it's like lightweight kind of brows. That's what we're gonna call them. Some lightweight brows. So because I am not a big fan of foundation, especially if I'm running late, I don't do it. I don't try because it's a lot of blending and it takes up a lot of time if you have 5 minutes to get ready. Let's be realistic here, okay? So I usually love grabbing my favorite concealer. So today I'm gonna grab this Fenty Beauty Concealer and I'm going to grab the shade 420. I'm just going to start concealing my problem areas, and that's normally my eyes because of my dark circles and my puffiness. This should help take care of that. And then I usually go right here. I feel like I'm dark on my lip area because I have like a mini mustache, so we need to take care of that. And I also conceal these dark spots that I have going on. I told y'all I have not been taking care of my skin. It's not normal of me not to take care of my skin. That's just like not me at all, but we're gonna have to change that, okay? But we are set, and I'm about to just start blending that in. I'm gonna grab this Morphe E30 brush, and I'm just going to like start blending this all in. I'm telling y'all, concealer is the best way to like do a 5-minute look or even a 10-minute look. You could definitely do a lot with concealer, even if you're running late and you're at work and you just want to like start covering anything up. Concealer will be your best friend. But the problem is with concealers, you have to find like the shade that's closer to your skin shade. You don't want to go too light, you don't want to go too dark. You want to find like your perfect shade. That's why I like Fenty, because Fenty has like the best concealers that I mess with a lot. That's why I kind of took a break from NARS, so I can like show you guys a different concealer that I love a lot. So I'm gonna grab this Milk Makeup Blur Plus Set Matte Setting Powder. I've been loving this stuff for a quick on the go because it sets, it looks super natural, you guys, I won't lie. This thing is amazing. I don't even know what took me so long to try this setting powder out, but I'm glad I did because it's bomb and it's translucent, so we're gonna match with our skin, okay? With the setting powder this time, I'm gonna grab this, what is this? Laura Mercier Cheek Color brush. And I'm just going to start setting this all over my face. Well, at least all over where I used the concealer, and that's pretty much all over my face, so yeah. All over my face, so yeah. If you're not trying to cover too much, a setting powder will be your best friend, especially like a translucent one that doesn't have any color and kind of like blends and matches with your skin. That's what I would say. It's like the best route to go. But if you want like a full coverage kind of look, you can definitely get like a setting powder that has a full coverage, like it's a setting foundation powder. Those are always the best if you're running so fast. You can like take a brush and just blend that all over your face. So I am such a blush person nowadays, so I feel like if you don't want to bronze up your face, you can grab a blush, give you a little bit of color. So for blush, I'm gonna just grab this MAC Raisin blush. Don't gotta put too much, but like put enough to give you a little bit of color and like make you look a little blushy and look like you have something going on. See what I mean? Like look how pretty that is. So pretty. This is if you don't want to wear contour. If you don't want to contour anything, blush will be like your best friend. And then just take the leftover, put it all over your face if it's not too much for you. Y'all see, we look pretty good. Pretty good. But we're not done yet. We're gonna grab a highlight. I'm gonna grab this highlight from Laura Mercier. It's such a beautiful highlight. It actually has blushes as well. So I'm gonna grab this highlight and just like start highlighting, and I'm pressing this brush into the skin lightly, so then it kind of looks like this highlight is in my skin. I'm also gonna take it up a little bit for my brow bone to get a little bit of highlight. Do the same thing to the other side. I don't want to go like extreme with this highlight, just something really light. Okay, and I'm also gonna put a little bit in the inner corner of my eye and wake them up a little bit. And then last but not least, I'm gonna grab this MAC setting powder, and I am just going to work this all over my eyelids a little bit. This would just act like an eyeshadow for me, even though it's not an eyeshadow, but it's going to give me a little bit of color into my eyelids and also cover my eyelids a lot too. So I'm not gonna contour, but I am taking my contour brush, whatever product that's left here, I'm just going to work this all over my face just to give me a little bit of like a bronzy look at the same time. And that is it, y'all, for this look. It's so simple. This is like the best and perfect on the go mommies, on the go students kind of look. You look put together, but you don't look too much. For mascara today, I'm gonna grab this Milani mascara primer. It's purple. It's kind of scary, honestly. So that is what we're gonna use first to bring my lashes out, because this kind of like pulls my lashes out, and I've noticed that I have like 0 lashes, it feels like, so this brings them out. Maybe I should walk out the house like this. Like, why not? I'm also going to coat this with the black mascara too. So for lips, I'm gonna grab my favorite lip pencil, and this is the MAC lip pencil in Chestnut to outline my lips with this. Oh, girl, look at us. We look good. We look good. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna mix this two amazing lip glosses. This is KK Beauty in Super Nude and MAC DAZZLEGLASS lip gloss in Goldie Rocks. So I'm gonna put the KK Beauty lip gloss first. This one is like done. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm gonna top it off with this MAC. Smells good. So I'm gonna go ahead and still set my face so then everything is like locked in. Even though we're not wearing too much, we still want it to like look good and last all day. Alright my babies, so this is it for this 5-minute makeup look for y'all. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As usual, I love you guys so much. Nawapena sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video.